U.S. President. Few U.S. presidents have embodied the Scout Law more than the first, George Washington. Even though he died long before scouting began. At age 15, Washington created a set of rules for himself, many which align with points of the Scout Law. Listen to the wisdom of President Washington.
The scout is trustworthy.
Undertake not what you cannot perform. Be careful to keep your promise.
The scout is loyal.
Be not hasty to believe flying reports to the disparagement of any. Speak not evil of the absent, for it is unjust.
The scout is helpful.
Wherein you reprove another, be unblameable yourself. For example is more prevalent than precepts. In visiting the sick, do not play the physician, if you be not knowing therein.
The scout is friendly.
Show yourself not glad at the misfortune of another, though he were your enemy. Let your conversation be without malice or envy.
The scout is courteous.
Be not forward, but friendly and courteous. The first to salute, hear, and answer. Speak not when others speak. Sit not when others stand. Speak not when you should hold your peace. Walk not when others stop. Turn not your back to others, especially in speaking. Lean not on anyone.
The scout is kind.
When a man does all he can, though he succeeds not well, blame him not that did it.
The scout is obedient.
Honor and obey your natural parents, though they be poor. Strive not with your superiors in argument, but always submit your judgment to others with modesty.
The scout is cheerful.
Speak not of doleful things in times of mirth, nor at the table. Put on a cheerful countenance, for good humor makes one dish of meat a feast.
The scout is thrifty.
Let your discourage with men of business be short and comprehensive. In your apparel be modest, and endeavor to accommodate nature rather than to procure admiration.
The scout is brave.
Fight to keep alive in your breast that little spark of celestial fire called conscience.
The scout is clean.
Use no reproachful language against anyone, neither curse nor rebel. Let your recreations be manful, be not sinful.
The scout is reverent.
When you speak of God or his attributes, let it be seriously in reverence.
We'd like to introduce our